Hello everyone, the Operations Forum is here again with another video on freight forwarding. We take care of numerous points connected with operations and supply chain management. Do visit our channel for more informative videos. So let us start by understanding what is freight forwarding. So basically, freight forwarding is the planning and coordinating of movement of commodities across international borders on behalf of shippers. Other than warehouse planning, supplying cargo insurance and customs brokerage, a freight forwarder will carry out freight rate negotiations, container tracking, customs documentation and freight consolidation, among other tasks. So, what are its requirements? Firstly, one must have expert knowledge of customs standards and protocols, which vary from country to country and even port to port. Secondly, agile problem solving while carrying out forwarding in situations of bad weather or any natural calamities. Thirdly, an instinct for network building because in many ways a supply chain is only as strong as parties drive it. And lastly, authentic license holding documents. So, let us have a look at different types of freight forwarding. There are three types of freight forwarding. First one, air freight, second one, ocean freight, and third one, ground freight. So, beginning with air freight or air cargo, it is the shipment of goods through an air carrier. Air transport services are the most valuable when it comes to moving express shipments around the globe. Just like the commercial or passenger airlines, air freight flies in the same way. Air freight services include custom air freight products ranging from port to port or door to door, charter flight operations, dangerous goods handling, oversized cargo handling, and cargo insurance. Second comes ocean freight, which is the mode of transporting large loads of goods by sea using cargo in large containers, which are loaded onto vessels. If we look at the statistics, over 90% of world's trade is carried by mode of ocean freight. If we look at the services included in ocean freight, we have full container load, that is FCL, less than container load, that is LCL, intermodal solutions, project cargo, sensor technology, international cross trade, purchase order or PO management, and cargo insurance. Last but not the least comes ground freight, which is a cheap mode and is generally used to transport large items that are not time sensitive. Transporting goods via ground requires an average transit time of 3 to 10 days, depending on the pickup and delivery locations. So, looking at ground freight services, it includes truckload services that involve domestic and cross-border, less than truckload or LTL services carried out domestically or via cross-border, white glove, which is specialized in end-to-end handling for high-value, high-touch products, consolidation, rollout, and distribution capabilities, flatbed, specialized and over-dimensional expertise, integration of customs brokerage into a seamless supply chain solution, temperature control, and lastly, cargo insurance. Let us understand the whole concept by taking an example. Celestial is a company that manufactures tattoo ink. The company is based in Britain, but they have offices in more than 12 countries. Since the company has only one manufacturing facility, they have to ship products constantly to the rest of locations. In order to do so, they hired Kiosk Freight Forwarding Limited, which is a freight forwarding company located in London. Kiosk manages all the outgoing shipments that come from Celestial to distribute the products properly among the company's branches. Kiosk picks up the shipment at Celestial warehouse in Newcastle and handles the transportation till London, and then shipped according to Celestial's instructions to the rest of countries as per company's business. This takes off a lot of work from Celestial's shoulders, and even though it is a bit expensive, but it's compensated by the timely services provided by Kiosk Freight Forwarding LLC. Hope we were able to convey the concept of freight forwarding. For more informative videos, kindly like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for upcoming informative videos. Thank you.